Hey you guys, hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the channel, you guys. Welcome, and welcome. If it is your first time coming to this channel, my name is Hotspot Komani. And if you're coming back to watch another video, you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, you guys. So welcome to the new vlog. And if it is your first time, you guys, you're most definitely welcome. Grab a seat and enjoy the vlog. And I love the engagement that I get in the comment section, you guys. So let's continue doing that. Kana di lai love. Marna ne ke tlo lesha ko le fetso ka mokara. Just ka re ko blesha mereko. So yeah, welcome to the new vlog, you guys. I'm starting a new vlog. I just want to take you on a day on how my day would look like. I'm starting a new vlog outside. I just saw that this view here. I'm under the shade of the tree. Village life. As you all know, I'm a village-based vlogger. So my partner and I are actually going out. Just gonna pass by water because the water here is and buy water. What else? Go cut our hair, both of us. What else? You will see along the vlog, you guys, what we are gonna be busy with, and come back do some ironing because my partner tomorrow is going somewhere. Tomorrow or today late, so which means I'll be home alone. I'll be alone, you guys. Oh my gosh! So let's go, you guys. Let's go.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were down whatever. Bad and dead together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely. And I'm your willing victim. My friends already told me, but I don't wanna listen. 'Cause I love the way you hold me. And I don't need a reason. 'Cause I don't wanna be.
What do you expect me to say? You know that I will always find a way to fuck up everything that we ever made. Some people change and some people don't. Don't give it another shot. We've had enough, I think it's time to stop. I fucked up everything we ever made. Some people change, but you know I won't. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me, you have to find a way. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me, you have to run away. What do you expect me to do? Push you away when we're both feeling blue. No lies can help with what you're going through. Some things can change, but you know it won't. Why do we wait for the worst? Everyone knows that the ending is cursed. This ship is sinking, so just say the words. Some people change, but you know I won't. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me, you have to find a way. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me, you have to run away. It's never better when mistakes are made again. You know we're not the same. Hurting will break the chains. It's never better when mistakes are made again. There's poisons in my veins. Liars are all the same. It's never better when mistakes are made again. You know we're not the same. Hurting will break the chains. It's never better when mistakes are made again. There's poisons in my veins. Liars are all the same.
When we were so young, I could never see forever. We'd go midnight driving down that lane, pretending the whole world was lame.
Pero un porro, güey. Un porro que fue un guanetero. Uy.
Eventually, what goes up must come down.
snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was.
Hey you guys, hey. Actually it's many days later in the vlog, but I'm still holding on to the same vlog. Right now I just came here to say my goodbyes, you guys. Remember the last time I spoke to you, I said to you that my partner was gonna leave that night, remember? Ooh, can you please lower the volume down, please? Phew. Let me just go outside a bit. So right now, I'm gonna close up this vlog, you guys. And now that it's school holiday, I am with my daughter. So that's why you see me coming out, because wow, that girl is. I don't wanna get some copyright claims or strikes or whatever. So actually, right now, I wanna close up this vlog and start the new one. Just wanna say my thanks and all the things in between. Thank you so much for watching. You guys do like, give some comments, and yeah, do share with your friends and family. Let them know that there's me and they should subscribe to this channel, you know, right? So yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Bye.